Let's review how to use the mulch calculator on the gardener page of Toolkit.law. Select the Self section, then the gardener page. Click on the mulch calculator accordion title bar to access this resource. Enter your measurement, unit, length, width, and depth, then click the equals icon. The tool instantly calculates total mulch quantity, no manual conversions required. You can also clear, copy, or share results directly from the interface. Toolkit.law's Mulch Calculator helps legal professionals and law firms streamline property planning, save resources, and maintain precise records, directly within their productivity suite. Whether you're improving a courtyard, updating a reception garden, or managing larger property grounds, Toolkit.law's Mulch Calculator eliminates guesswork and overbuying, ensuring every project stays within budget and on schedule. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Mulch Calculator.